Get ready! The Nationwide Housing Fair is coming to your area. June 26th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Invite all your friends and family over and enjoy from the comfort of your home. This event will be broadcast in all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming. Something for everyone. Plenty of door prizes and giveaways. One lucky winner will receive up to $2,000 towards their mortgage or rent payment. Whether you are looking to buy or sell a home, our team of professionals can guide you. Ready to buy now? Get pre-qualified on the spot. $500 credit for all buyers when working with our team. Did you serve? 100% financing available for veterans. Increase your credit scores in 30 days with our credit counselors. Do you have a home to sell that needs work? Get a same-day cash offer. Not ready to buy? We have a rent-to-own programs available. Seniors, we have something for you too. Ready to downsize? Our team has you covered from estate planning to investing. We take care of it all. Facing foreclosure? You are not alone. Help is available. We have licensed professionals from all across the country ready to serve you. Get your tickets today. Visit www.nationwidehousingfair.com.